Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a comb man spin. Knowing how to do a comb in a man spin, obviously quite important, and some basic technique about like not stepping back without a lead for a lady unless you're taking over and going into sabotage. Links to the appropriate video clips are down below, so if you will need to recap anything, it's all there. And the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. Starts right to right for a standard comb. We go back, we return the lady, we comb the man. Nothing has changed from the normal comb, except we're not going to push to lead the lady back. At this point, guys, we're going to spin to our left. We're going to roll our head a little bit to try and maintain the lady's contact. So she goes across the chest, around to the shoulder. When she gets back to the left shoulder and you've made your 360, you've got two options as a guy. You can do all the step back yourself, so the lady is just going to pick up from where she is, so she's just dancing on the spot, or you can actually come round and give the lady a little nudge into the step back. Another option, one of my favourites actually, is you come round, you do the rotation, and you send the lady off into a spin afterwards. But that's another day. Okay, so let's break it down with numbers from this side. So we go back. 1, return. 2, comb. 3, spinning. 4, and back. 5. And that's the whole thing. Simple as that. Let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a comb, man, spin. You go, a back, around, comb, spin, and away. That's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you find it useful out on the floor. Hope it fits whatever music you're dancing to. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Appreciate everybody who puts a like on the video because it helps promote the videos. Everyone who subscribes helps promote the channel, so really big thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, it will let you know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, specifically to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.